This video shows you how to set up your Ring stick-up cam to place on a table or shelf. Snap this cover onto the top of the base and push this rubber pad onto the bottom. Add the security screws if desired. Now let's reconnect your stick-up cam. If you plan to power your stick-up cam using USB, plug the included USB power supply and cable into an outlet. Feed the other end of the USB cable through the bottom cover of your stick-up cam and plug it in. If you plan to power your stick-up cam using Power over Ethernet, also known as PoE, plug an Ethernet cable into a port that supplies PoE. Feed the other end of the USB cable through the bottom cover of your stick-up cam and plug it in. If you want to connect your stick-up cam to the internet using Ethernet, but your Ethernet port does not provide PoE, connect both Ethernet and the USB power supply. Finally, slide the bottom cover back into place over the cable connections and use the star-shaped screwdriver bit to tighten the screw. Once your stick-up cam powers up, it reconnects to the internet automatically. Your stick-up cam is now ready to protect you. We hope this video has helped you install your stick-up cam. If you need any help, you can chat to our support team 24/7 at ring.com.